There are a lot of unique bike gadgets available, but these 10 new bike inventions you must have are the best of the best. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Stand-up Verabike. With 5 different drive styles to choose from, the stand-up Verabike is inspired by running, paddling, and rolling sports. It aims to give you a full-body workout while you're out and about. The Verabike's frame can be folded down into a teeny tiny package, letting you easily take it wherever you happen to be. The bike has 4 gears to allow you to take it easy and go slowly, or amp things up and see how fast you can go in order to really push your limits. You can move the bike by either hand cranking the handles or using your feet like a standard scooter. The Verabike can really pick up some speed, so braking is made super easy. It's an exceptional workout machine and is a great way to get your exercise while you're on your regular commute. Trunk Monkey. Trunk Monkey is a universal bike-carrying platform that fits on any car with minimal effort. It's inflatable to help protect your bike from any damage. It's a great alternative to standard bike racks and takes up a fraction of the space that they do. It can be inflated or deflated in no time at all and set up on any trunk, even those that don't fit standard bike racks. It also fits neatly into a carrying bag, so you can take it with you wherever you go, just in case the weather takes a turn for the worse and you need to ask a friend to give you and your bike a dry ride home. Even the pump takes up very little space, and the entire kit weighs less than 6 pounds in its entirety. Soft Wheel. Built with comfort in mind, the Soft Wheel system offers a unique suspension system to help users reduce neck and back pain while keeping riders steady as they progress over bumps and obstacles. The system can be hooked up to bicycles, wheelchairs, and many other modes of personal transportation. It's an impressive in-wheel suspension system with arms set around a central hub to provide shock absorption from any angle. The rim always stays rigid to provide a smooth ride and immediately returns to its regular position after hitting a bump to keep riders level, providing 360-degree suspension. Looks like it's going to change the way we implement suspension in vehicles and is a big step up from traditional shocks, giving a higher level of comfort in all conditions. Z-Lock. One of the best bike locks available, Z-Lock lets riders unlock their bike by using their fingerprint, Bluetooth paired device, or a spare key for any traditionalists. It's minimalist in design and is made out of temper-hardened steel to prevent would-be thieves from breaking it open. You can grant access to your friends if you want, as the Z-Lock is able to hold up to 20 fingerprints in memory. It's totally waterproof and uses AES 256 military-level encryption, so it can't be hacked at all. The lock is 98 centimeters long and can easily hook your bike up to all standard anchor options. You can even use your paired device to allow remote access if you need to. Storage is a cinch with its compact and foldable design. Parkus. The Parkus is a space-saving vertical parking system that easily lifts your bike into position, making it simple and efficient. Lifting a bike onto a regular vertical hook can be a bit of a pain and is difficult for a lot of users to handle. Parkus negates the need to physically lift a bike onto a stand by allowing riders to push their front wheel into the lift mechanism. The Parkus then automatically lifts the wheel up as it's pushed forward, using that forward movement to pull the bike vertical. There's no need to strain, since the entire procedure is done without requiring any real physical effort on the user's part. It's entirely mechanical and requires no electricity at all to operate, meaning the Parkus can be safely installed anywhere you need it. DX. The DX is the world's first self-charging mountain bike. It achieves this feat by recharging its batteries as the rider pedals or simply goes downhill. It's perfect for longer rides and is also built to put up with whatever abuse you can throw at it without breaking down. The bike even lets you plug in USB devices to keep them charged while you're on the go, with the battery being hidden inside the bike frame. It's stylish and works in all weather conditions. The DX is also fitted with an LCD speedometer, so you can keep track of how fast you're going, along with the ability to display even more useful information, like battery life and rate of recharge. Winglights 360. These handy indicator lights for your bike keep other vehicles up to date with regard to your position on the road at all times. The lights attach at the ends of your handlebars and have settings that range from permanent white and red lights to flashing orange lights to ensure that drivers are aware of what you're doing at all times. The white lights point forward, while the red lights point backward, highlighting the rider's dimensions so other vehicles know how to pass safely. The orange warning lights indicate that a rider is changing lanes or turning, letting other vehicles know that it isn't safe to pass. This encourages drivers to pass your bike safely, knowing exactly what you're doing even in rough weather with minimal visibility. The wing lights are totally waterproof and shockproof, so you can take them out in all conditions, and they are charged via USB in under 30 minutes. A single charge provides around 3 hours of non-stop lighting and are held in place with magnets, while also being reinforced with a screw-in locking system. LapaFit. The LapaFit is a scooter that uses a built-in treadmill to propel rides forward. It uses high-capacity lithium-ion batteries that let you speed around at 20 miles per hour for up to 50 miles. It translates walking motions on the treadmill to forward momentum for the bike itself, letting riders exert minimal effort while maintaining impressive speeds. It's a great little workout vehicle as well, with a variety of gears to increase or decrease speed as you see fit. High-performance disc brakes keep you safe at all times, and a backlit display shows you important trip information. The LapaFit is easy on your body and has no carbon footprint, which also makes it great for the environment too. X20. The X20 is a BMX wheel designed with drifting in mind. It fits on a standard 20-inch BMX and is perfect for riders of all ages and experience levels. The X20 replaces the tire and inner tube of your rear wheel, making installation as easy as possible. The faster you pedal, the better the X20 works at helping you drift with its unique design. It's extremely revolutionary, but still quite a simple concept, and aims to change the way that you ride in a big way. Heiza. Heiza is all about minimalist bike navigation and excels at what it does. It offers 2 different navigation modes, with its turn-by-turn mode and compass mode options. The LEDs are self-regulating and easy to see in day or nighttime settings, with the entire housing being made of durable materials. It can be used on any bike or fitted to a wristband if you prefer. This design also makes it perfect for joggers, hikers, or anyone else who enjoys the great outdoors. Heiza points towards a preset destination of your choosing, instead of pointing north, allowing you to choose your own route while staying pointed in the right direction at all times. And that's the 10 new bike inventions you must have. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they're uploaded. That's it for now.